lot of guys were asking me to do a walk around of the Tacoma. The Overland build got a little crazy. This was supposed to tow the FK8 around the shows, but because of all the added weight, I'm not sure if we can even pull it anymore. But I guess we'll see eventually. I'll get a trailer. But yeah, let's go over the mods. So up front, I've got the C4 mid-height bull bar front bumper. On the bumper, I've got Baja Designs 30-inch LED, the Design Squadron Sport LED cubes, and also the Squadron SAE. I've got a worn VR winch, OEM TRD Pro Front Grill, Morimoto XB Headlights, and these are sequential. I've got the Seibon TR style carbon fiber hood with AeroCatch hood pins. Haven't decided how to paint the hood yet. I'm not sure how to mask off the vent because I want to leave some carbon fiber visible. As soon as I figure that out, I'll get it painted and then the grill blacked out. For installing the C4 bumpers, I got the frame supports also right there. I had it all powder coated, and then you have to cut all along the OEM bumper from the fender through the grill. Got the TRD Skid Plate, Volt Racing TE37 XT M-Spec 17 by 8.5 inch, -10 offset in bronze. The tires are Yokohama Geolander MT 285/70/17. Running these raised center caps with the raised L37 Duranut lugs. Up front, I'm running SPC upper control arms, Bilstein 5100 shocks, and OME 2886 springs. For the roof rack, I'm running UpTopOverland Alpha roof rack with 2 Rome Adventure Company 95-liter boxes. I'm also running the Rome latches for their boxes. This is the UpTopOverland upTAKE snorkel. I love how the roof rack has the handles on the outside. So for the rear, I've got UpTopOverland TRUSS bed rack, and this is the mid height. On top of that is the Desert Armor Warrior rooftop tent. What's cool about the C4 rear bumper is you can actually move the license plate frame up and down, and that exposes the trailer hitch. It also has a LED license plate light, and then a rear camera relocation kit. So the C4 Overland Series high clearance rear bumper, I've got it optioned with the swing arm, side tubing, backup camera relocation, horizontal high lift bracket. I've got the Morimoto taillights, which are also sequential. I've got this spare, same TE37 XT M-Spec 17 by 8.5. Here is running Bilstein 5100 shocks also, and Icon 1.5 inch Adaleaf. What do you guys think of the lift?